Do you really think this is the end? I knew it before it even happened.
Look closer, Milo. It's just the beginning.
Welcome to the CapitalCraft Lab. Solving every glitch, putting cash on the map.
Just when you think it's over, the market dumps again. This isn't just a dip, Milo. This is heavy selling pressure. The bears are taking control. Boom! The price hits a new low. This is what we call the first bottom. Most traders panic here. They think it's going to zero.
Not again. Please, not again. My portfolio is dead.
Watch closely, Milo. Look at the floor. Does it break? Do you hear that? That's not the sound of a crash. That is the sound of strong support. The buyers are stepping in, pushing the price up from the support level. This is the bounce. It looks promising.
Yes, the crash is over. We are going to the moon, all in.
Easy, Milo. Don't celebrate yet. Look what's above you. And there it is, the resistance. Think of it as a glass ceiling. Sellers are waiting here, and they are stronger than the buyers right now.
Oh no, 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 not again. Why?
This is the rejection. The price is being pushed back down. Look where we landed, Milo. Back to the exact same level as the first crash. This is crucial. The support is being tested a second time. It hits the floor again, but look, the sellers are exhausted. They can't break through. The support is holding firm. Time to change the physics. Activate the trampoline. It's not crashing, Milo. It's loading, like a spring coiling up, storing massive energy for the reversal. Do you see it now? Down, up, down. And now, this is the double bottom, also known as the W pattern. Get ready for launch.
Boing! The spring is released. This is the momentum shift. The buyers are taking over with massive volume.
Look at that momentum. The resistance is shattered. The sellers are crushed. We have breakout. Enjoy the ride, Milo. You survived the trap. And there it is, the big picture. The drop, the bounce, the second drop, and the breakout. A perfect double bottom W. Don't fear the crash. Spot the pattern. Win the trade. Class dismissed. Subscribe to the lab for next week's strategy.